What if you could turn your Christmas tree into a cozy crochet masterpiece? This year, let's deck the halls with homemade ornaments that are fast and easy to make. Hi, it's Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Thanks so much for inviting me over. Today, super excited, everything crochet ornaments, the top 5, super easy, fast, nothing tedious, nothing that takes so long. I've tried so many patterns that it just seems like so much work for something that I need a bunch of. I need it to be fast, simple, easy to replicate, easy to make a lot of, and these 5, you are in for a treat. Whether you're crafting for your own tree, selling at craft fairs, or creating gifts for loved ones, these ornaments are beginner-friendly, budget-friendly, and bursting with festive flair. First up are these amazing crochet stockings, these little mini ones. They are perfect for your tree or even as little gift tags. It's basically a fancy 2-row granny square. So if you can do a granny square, these are super easy to do. It's just modified a little bit to turn it into a cute little stocking. Comes with a hanging tag. Everything is like finished. So all you have to do is sew in your tails and you are good to go. Actually, the ones inside, you can just knot them. Nobody's going to get their little hand down inside there to see if you tied them or if you stitched them in. So super fast and easy to do. And you could do any colors. You don't have to do traditional colors. You could do whatever colors match your decor. Next are these super cute star ornaments. These work up fast, really, really fast. It's 2 rows, treble crochets, really quick and easy to do, and it makes a really nice star. You don't need to use starch or anything. They stay nice and stiff the way that they are. You could also use metallic yarn to do them or any color at all that you have on hand. I made some in green, but I figure they don't show up that well on my tree. But if you had a white tree, green stars would be fantastic. I also have a pattern for blue stars, blue 6-pointed stars if you celebrate Hanukkah. That's also on my channel, but this is about Christmas decorations. But if you are celebrating for Hanukkah, check out the 6-pointed blue stars. So pretty. So it's a different pattern than this, but really, really cute. These would be great on a coffee cup. If you were just gifting a coffee cup, you could just loop the star around the cup and then just give it with a little star hanging from the handle. It'd be so cute. Really easy to do. Also, if you're color coding your gifts, you could make them in different colors and each person would have their own color. And maybe they don't know what color is theirs until Christmas morning. Really fun to do. Fast, easy, and even just scraps of yarn. Doesn't have to be totally matching. Next up are Santa ornaments. I love these. These are my current favorite. My favorite for this year for sure. They're so cute. It was my grandma's pattern. I found one when I was decorating for Christmas this year, and I was like, oh my gosh, my grandma made that. I'm like, I could probably do it. So I figured it out, what she did to make them look similar and maybe improve it a little bit. Love you, Gran. But I think they're so cute. So you can use the tail to make the eyes in the same color as your beard, or you could add the black yarn, which is a little more traditional. And also the pattern includes turning them into gift tags. These fit perfect over top of wine bottles. If you're going anywhere, you're just like, oh, I'll bring a bottle of wine, slam one of these on top. It's officially a gift, no longer the easy way out. And you can also turn them into keychains. So that's all part of the tutorial. Adorable. So cute. I've made the most of these. They're really quick and easy to do. You're like 7 double crochet, 5 double crochet. It might be a different number. Don't quote me. But literally small numbers like that, and then all of a sudden you're done. It's really, really fast and easy to do. So Santa ornaments, definitely a must try for 2024. And then my cute little angels. I love these little ladies. They're so sweet. Really easy to do. It is 3 rows of crochet and you're done. It includes, from start to finish, it has the hanging tag already. It has the wings already. So you're not putting any pieces together. You're not joining anything. You're not cutting a yarn and making a hanging tag. It's like a one-stop shop. You start crocheting and you end up with the sweetest little angel. So they are cute. You could sew in your tails. I'm pretty sure I just double knotted mine inside and cut them off. Just telling you. And a little wooden bead for the head. You can buy those on Amazon pretty easy, but if you live in a country without Amazon like I do, I called a car company and bought a car mat, one of those beaded car seat mats. So this is the cheapest way to buy wooden beads, believe it or not. That's a lot of beads. I cut it apart and I got 900 beads for about 20 bucks. So that is a tip if you can't find the wooden beads in your neighborhood. But those are super cute crochet angels that work up quick, fast, easy, and are so sweet to make. And last on my top 5, super cute bauble skirt ornaments. These are just little crochet skirts that slip on top of a bauble or one of those glass or plastic bauble decorations you already have. And it is a super great way, easy and fast, to customize your crochet baubles without covering them up. There's no point covering something that's already pretty, but you can make it a lot prettier just by adding this cute little skirt. They are made to measure for these standard size baubles. And you just pull them down and they stay right on. Or you can also slip them right off and your bauble is back. A little net skirt like that. And they slide right on. It's designed to end just a little bit past halfway so that they stay onto the bauble. And look how cute those look. Perfect for the holidays, for that handmade charm on your tree. So which one of these projects is your favorite? Which are you going to try first? And if you've made any, let us know how it went in the comments under the video. We'd love to read all about it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And I'm waiting for you in that video up there. Stay hooked. Here we are. Yay! Today, oh, I'm excited. Christmas decorations. You can't have too many. That's just a fact. You can't have too many. Hi, it's Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Thanks so much for inviting me over. No. Hi, it's Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome back. No. It's a bit ice, but it's more turquoisey than this. Those are cute, right? Happy decorating. I really want to put these on my tree, but my tree is not blue this year. Oh, is it blue? No, it's not. I have a whole bunch. I think I made 24 of these little skirts. They're in with my blue Christmas decorations. So sweet. Anyway, one day. Okay, I have sound. That's a miracle also. Tick.